Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hi everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome to another vlog. So today it is, what day is it? Wednesday. It's Wednesday the 2nd of June, I think. I'm so tired. I just carried all of my shopping up the stairs, 2 flights of stairs, and I'm actually so tired. It was so heavy. It was like £50 worth of shopping from Aldi. So let me show you what I got. I thought I'll just put my camera on and do a haul and then vlog the rest of the day. So let's go. It's literally like 1:20 right now. As usual, I'll show you the frozen stuff first. I got some ice lollies for the kids because it is so hot, and I also got the ice blitz ones. I got, so this isn't frozen, but this is what I'm gonna eat today. This is salmon skewers, and it comes with like some kind of sauce. I don't even know, but it just looks so delicious. So I thought I'd pick those up for dinner. I got some fish fingers, some alphabet potato letters. If you guys haven't tried these chips from Aldi, you're missing out because they're so good. They're the chunky oven chips and they're so delicious. They're like so crispy on the outside and then they just like, it's so fluffy on the inside. It's so good. I got a pizza, which is going to probably be the kids' dinner tonight. I'm not going to lie. I just thought a pizza. And then I got another pizza, which is a frozen one. That one's a fridge one that I showed you before. And then I also picked up some sweet potato fries for myself because I'm trying to be a little bit more healthy recently because I have put on weight and I kind of just want to, I'm not too fussed about getting rid of the weight. I just want to kind of tone up a little bit and eat a little bit better. Just know that I'm putting good stuff into my body because, I don't know, I've been eating really bad since Ramadan and I need to stop that. So this is the reason I'm trying to be a little bit more healthy. Anyway, I'm going to put this stuff away and then come back to show you the rest of the stuff. Okay, moving on to the next bag. I got some kitchen roll. I've run out of it. I got some of these Sweetie Drop red peppers. These are so good in salads. You can put them in rice. You can put them in anything and it tastes amazing. I love these so much. I feel so dizzy right now. I'm literally like hot and just I haven't drank enough water today, so I'm drinking some more water right now. Just feel really dehydrated. I also picked up some caramelized red onion sweet chutney. This is really nice. I've never had the one from Aldi before, but I think I've had something similar, but this is so nice to spread on like toast. Instead of butter, I use this to spread on toast when you have eggs and things like that, and it just makes it extra nice, like an extra flavor. So good. I think I might have that now actually. I really feel like having some eggs and toast. That just sounds so delicious right now. I'm so hungry. Also picked up some orange juice and some apple juice, some mixed spice, some raspberry jam. Love raspberry jam on toast as well. And also some summer fruit squash. Next bag, I have some parsley. I picked up a stir fry for an easy meal this week. I picked up some flatbreads. These I think I'm going to have with my salmon today with some salad or something. I picked up some carrots, some wraps, some garlic, some onions, some baby cucumbers, some piccolo tomatoes. These are so tasty compared to like the normal like baby tomatoes you get. Some coriander, some apples, and some sweet mini peppers. And then the last bag has got some blueberries, some strawberries, some broccoli, some cheese strings, squirty cream, some lemons, potatoes, some baby sweet corn, some yogurts for the kids, some Greek style yogurt 0% fat, and the last thing I got was some pink salmon in a tin. And that is everything that I got today. I'm so hot right now. I'm literally like dying of heat and a headache and everything. I've got work today as well. It is currently 1:30 and I have work at 3, so I'm going to put all of this stuff away and then I'm going to sort out the clothes because I took all of them off the airers today, and then I haven't touched them since. They're all just sitting in a basket, so I'm going to do that after I put the stuff away, and then I don't know, I'll let you know. I've actually decided to make myself something to eat right now because I am starving. I'm going to make myself an egg flatbread with some of that chutney. So that's what I'm going to do. You know when you just need food? I need food right now. Anyway, so I'm going to use one of these. I'm going to use that. I'm going to actually heat it up in the microwave for a few seconds before I put the egg in it. I'm going to put this away. I'm going to scramble an egg in a frying pan, and then I'll show you what it's like after. My egg has been scrambled, so I'm going to put my bread into here for about 20 seconds. Bread is nice and warm. I'm going to put some of this onto it. Looks nice. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put some on one side of it. And that is my brunch, breakfast, lunch, whatever you want to call it, done in like 5 minutes. So I'm going to go and enjoy this now. I'm going to have some orange juice and a coffee because I need it. I'm so tired. I wish I had some iced coffee, but I don't have any today. I'm so sad about that, but never mind. I'm just going to have a normal one. So that's what I'm going to do right now. This is actually quite nice. The bread, questionable. It's not very light. It's very chewy. I'm still using this Costa coffees because I had no idea that they were Israeli, so I've just been using it until it finishes, and then I'll be going on to a different brand because I'm not going to be buying it again. But you know, if you've got brands that are Israeli that you've already bought, then don't throw them away. I've seen a lot of people throwing them away. Don't throw them away, just finish them off, and don't go back to them after because your money's already spent. You've already got it, you're already using it, so just finish it off and then try something else next time. I do not know how bad I want an iced coffee right now. The caramelized onion is delicious with the egg. I put a bit of cheese on there as well because egg and cheese is just the best thing ever. Anyway, peace. So we just got back home. Easter, what have we got? KFC. Guys, I haven't even done any research on whether I need to boycott KFC or not, but these guys were hungry, so they needed to eat. And this was the only place that was drive-through on the way home.
I feel really tired.
This one is so tired. She needs to go to sleep. It's literally like 6 minutes past 8 right now. Are you tired? No, you're not tired, are you?
No,
We've got a fun day planned tomorrow. What are we doing?
strawberry picking.
Do you know what we're doing, Eve?
Picking, strawberry picking. Strawberry picking.
Are you excited?
Strawberry picking.
Yeah, strawberry picking. Yeah, so we're gonna go strawberry picking tomorrow. Picking strawberries make you happy. That's good. Eat it. You want to come and have some chips, Elisa?
I want to eat chocolate strawberries.
Yeah, we're going to make some chocolate strawberries out of our strawberries that we pick tomorrow. Still got my decorations up. What are you doing, boy?
Are you come back?
Guys, when I vlog now, my arms hurt. I don't know why. Yeah?
I didn't have my Eid decorations there.
I know. We'll do it next Eid. There's another Eid coming in 5 weeks.
5 weeks?
5 weeks. Yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna chill for a little bit. They're gonna eat these chips and chicken, popcorn chicken, and then ew, we don't want to see that. We don't want to see that.
You don't want to see what?
He's opening his mouth so we can see his chewed up food. Yeah, but we're gonna chill. Then these guys are gonna go to bed. At least I was falling asleep on the way back. I had to keep talking to her to make her stay awake, right? Are you gonna have some chips?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Break it.
You love it? You broke it? Yummy. I don't even want to cook tonight, guys. It's like after 8 o'clock and I'm so hungry. So I'm so tempted to order some food. Does anyone else do that? Do a massive food shop and then order food on the same night? I'm so bad. But I'm really tempted to get something from, there's a Yemeni restaurant not too far from where I live. So I'm thinking about ordering something from there. And then that can be like lunch for tomorrow as well. Because they do the nicest thing called fasa. And it's like lamb, shredded lamb. And it's so nice with eggs. Oh, I love it. But yeah, I'm thinking of getting that. We'll see. I'll let you know what I'm going to eat. But you guys are going to go to bed soon, huh?
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are. This one had a nap today, so I don't think he's going to go to sleep soon. What's your name?
Isa.
How old are you?
3.
How old?
3.
You're going to be 3. He's going to be 3 in 1 month.
After
How fast this time gone. He's going to be 3. You're going to be 3.
After Purple's birthday is Easter's birthday.
Yeah. And how old are you going to be? She's going to be 6 in January. And how old is...
January the 4th.
Yeah, how old is Mummy going to be?
How old are you now?
I don't even know. How old am I?
32.
I'm 31.
31, 32. You're going to be
32. 32 years old.
And then after 32, you're going to be 40, 34, and then you're going to be 45.
So this is what I got for dinner. It came with some bread and the fasa. This is called fasa. It's just like shredded lamb and onions and peppers, I think. This one is still awake. Elisa is sleeping. Elisa's eating some bread. You want to have some of this? Why? No? Why not?
Yummy.
Is that yummy?
Yeah.
You love bread, huh? Good job. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog now. So thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. We're going strawberry picking tomorrow.
Strawberry picking?
Yeah.
I like strawberry. She do.
She likes strawberries and you don't.
I like peanut.
You want some chips? Okay then.
Okay.
So see you in the next video.
Bye.
Okay, so me and Issa were having a discussion about what this meat is. I said it's a lamb. He said it's a cow. And then I said no, but you can't eat cow. And then he said, what do you want to eat?
Pig.
He wants to eat pig. You're not allowed to eat pig. Pig is haram. It's dirty animal. Yeah, we're not allowed to eat pig. You can eat lamb or beef.
Beef?
Beef is cow.
What?
Or you can eat chickens.
No.
Yeah, you just had chicken and chips. Yeah. Don't you like eating chickens?
No.
Am I breaking your heart?
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife.